Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie and I'm Chappy. So this episode we're doing the shoutout to the YouTube channel Everything Shakes. It's a fantastic channel. They do protein healthy shakes that are delicious. I watch this channel all the time. It's like it looks like it's eating a dessert, but they're healthy shakes. So check that channel out. Make sure you give it a subscribe. That's Everything Shakes. Now, if you're interested in participating in the challenge, the rules are. And this is again for hashtag Chappy's 7 Shoutout Challenge. Rule number 1, you just have to do 7 videos in 7 days and give shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. You can do shorts. There's no deadline. You just have to leave a comment in the comment section in one of my shoutout videos saying I accept. And having said that, if I'm giving you a shout out, there's no pressure. I'm not calling you out. I don't expect you to do the challenge. That's the main number 1 rule is to have fun. So if you want to just do shorts, you can just do shout outs. You can incorporate it in your real video. But I do understand it doesn't match the format of a lot of channels. So don't feel any pressure to get involved with the challenge. It's just for fun. And then the other rule is include hashtag Chappy's 7 Shoutout Challenge somewhere in your title or comment section or description or anywhere in the video. All right, without any further ado, I'm going to make a cocktail in honor of Everything Shakes. I'm going to name it. I've already named it. It's called ES Peanut Butter Banana Fizz. A lot of his shakes include healthy stuff like peanut butter and banana. All right, I call this an ES Peanut Butter Banana Fizz in honor of Everything Shakes YouTube channel. So very easy. So we'll go a little bit of ice. And I have some nice peanut butter whiskey. Give it a good healthy schwack of that. And then I have some Island Soda banana drink. Famous Island Soda banana drink. So they use a lot of peanut butter and banana flavors in their protein drinks, so this is the perfect creation. And this is a Chappy's Tiki Bar original. Banana for garnish. And that's an ES Peanut Butter Banana Fizz. All right. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha. Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I have some Chipotle chicken lettuce wraps. To go with our appetizers, I'm going to make my riff on an Alabama Slammer. So I got a nice big glass of ice. We're going to go 2 ounces of Southern Comfort, 2 ounces of amaretto, 1 ounce of gin, 2 ounces of OJ. We'll give it a shot of fresh lime. You can really tell it's fresh when it's in season. Alright, shot of lime from my plastic lime, and then we're gonna give it a hit of the heavy syrup from my maraschino cherries. And that is an Alabama Slammer to go with my Chipotle chicken lettuce wraps. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.